The new Honda Accord officially unveiled and opened the pre-sale. The new Accord has the most significant improvement in the technology configuration, the addition of wireless charging function, fully taking into account the life scene of young people inseparable from mobile phones. In terms of appearance, the new car has replaced the iconic stout chrome trim above the front of the car with bright black, and the long and narrow headlights and the delicate internal lamp set are basically unchanged. The grille position is still decorated with multiple horizontal bright black trim strips, and the two sides of the bumper are decorated with new black trim panels, and a black trim strip is produced. The adjustment of the overall front makes the new car look more youthful and dynamic. The design size of the fog lamp area is smaller, and a black decorative strip runs through the entire fog lamp area and is connected to the bumper. Unlike the fuel version, the Accord hybrid version has a blue decoration inside the car logo. The rear changes of the new Accord mainly focus on the lower enclosure, and the style has been redesigned. The chrome-plated trim strip of the current model has been removed from the exhaust port of the fuel version, and the entire rear surround of the hybrid version is covered with a white trim strip. The sporty appearance of the new model has been improved. The Magic Night kit has been added. The internal structure of the lighting groups on both sides has been adjusted. The body has increased two color options. The logo of the mobile version is changed to hybrid electric vehicle to further meet the aesthetic needs of young users. In the interior, only minor adjustments have been made, such as the replacement of a larger floating central control screen, and the cancellation of the mechanical knob control mechanism around the screen of the current model. In addition, the new car will use a 3-spoke multi-function steering wheel. In terms of power, the new Accord hybrid model continues to use the 2.0-liter i-MMD system with a combined maximum power of 215 horsepower and a maximum torque of 315 Nm. The gasoline version also uses its existing power system, 1.5T high-power engine. The maximum power is 194 horsepower and the maximum torque is 260 Nm. It is matched with an E-CVT continuously variable transmission. The hybrid system, adhering to the principle of motor drive more hybrid, fuel consumption per 100 kilometers is only 4.2 liters.